Hi there foodies, welcome to this one. I'm quickly preparing pork ribs in a bag, and I'm going to make it extra spicy because we are having flu, and I know it's not Mrs. Rona, it's just flu because it's getting chilled out here. So I'm going to put in cayenne pepper. It's very potent, and then coriander, and then garlic and ginger, and then all of these vegetables I'm going to cut them up and then just pop it into the oven. First, before I pop it into the oven, I just want to make them crispy. So I'm going to pop them in the oven before I pop them in the bag, So I'm going to pop them in the oven and just crisp them maybe for 20 minutes, and then when I pop it in, it will only take 30 minutes only for the vegetable to cook off. So I marinated it like so. So I'm going to pop it into the oven for 20 minutes. While that is going to brown a bit and extracting some fat, just added zucchini in there just for some greenness, and then I'm adding chunked, just like that, chunked ginger. Oh my gosh, this is so potent. So I'm also going to add those in. It is this, just love the color. So I'm going to sprinkle on some black pepper, and then the content of the bag, the garlic. They are saying it's garlic, onion and parsley, so I just intensify it. I added extra garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, and then 1 whole onion, and I'm just going to use this to season, and black pepper. This is the content. I'm just going to shake it up. I'm just going to shake it up so that it can hold onto the vegetables. Just a little bit of salt, just a little bit. So the question is, will it be fitting in this bag? So let's wait and see. So here it is. I'm just going to pop that in between here. A sneak peek. It looks great, guys. The photo, the picture here, the video here is just not doing it justice. So I'm going to insert it in between the vegetables, close it off, seal it off, and then cook it off for 30 minutes. Yum. I added a stick of butter. There is the meat, so I'm going to seal it and cook it off. This meat was literally falling off the bone. I just did not capture that moment. The meat was soft and it cooked off so well, exactly the way I wanted it to be. The gristle, it was just melting in your mouth. Oh, I love that crunch bite. That's actually my favorite part of the riblets.